Many of you want to be great, but the truth is being great is going to require a high level of scrutiny. Some of us want to be great, but we don't want anybody to criticize us. We don't want anybody to give us constructive criticism. And the truth is, in order to be great, you're going to have to go through all of that. You're going to have to go through times where people talk about you. You're going to have to go through times where people are trying to stop you and block you from your destiny. But all of this comes as part of the cup, if you will, in order to get to a place of greatness and success. And so essentially, when you are trying to be successful, you just have to understand that it's part of the journey. It's for people to maybe not like you, people to stop you, people to feel that your dream is somewhat too large or it's not obtainable, but that's part of it. And if you're getting that level of attention when you are pursuing your dreams, then my encouragement to you is you're on the right track. No successful leader, no successful person has ever gotten to a place that they are without some level of turbulence, some level of opposition. Sometimes you have to swim upstream, but guess what? In streaming upstream, you'll get to the place that you're supposed to be. So don't be discouraged when there's opposition. Don't be discouraged when people hate on you. It just lets you know that you're headed in the right direction.